So I'm going to show you how to set up an eSIM on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. So your eSIM provider or your service provider will send you a QR code via email or via a little card like this, a physical card. So what you need to do is simply scan that QR code to set up your eSIM. Now mine is right here, covered for obvious reasons. So to set up the eSIM, just go to Settings on your iPhone 17 and then go to Mobile Service. Now under Mobile Service, I already have a SIM card, but what you're looking for here is the option Add eSIM. Tap on that. And then on this page, you have a couple of options. You can transfer, you can use QR code, you can transfer from Android or view travel options, depending on what your provider has. So for most people, that's going to be use QR code. Tap on Scan QR code. That opens up the QR code scanner. So I'm going to scan this QR code off camera. And with the QR code scanned, it's going to prompt me to activate the eSIM. So I'll tap on Continue and wait. And then you'll see this page talking about your eSIM and the carrier. So mine is unlocked. So I'm going to enter my eSIM SIM pin. Hit OK. And mobile plan setup is now complete. So I can now tap on Done and I should be good to go. Okay, so now you can see I have two SIM cards. One is a physical and the other one is an eSIM I just added. So that is basically how to add an eSIM to your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and good luck.